from Spotify.
Yes. Bangarang. Bangarang. Yes! We are live, folks. Bangarang. What is good? Bourbon, my friend. We're doing a dancing dance, my brother. We're doing a Bangarang packs. Guys, we've been waiting for this. We've been waiting for this. We've been waiting. Bangarang. There you go. What is good on this Thursday evening? You knew it was whiskey. You knew it was whiskey, Eric. Alexa, stop. How we doing, folks? Bangarang is back for another installment. I cannot explain to you the amount of hype that is going on. Miguel, yes, my friend. Miguel, I opened this. I have only drank this bottle while doing breaks. And I promise you that. Good stuff. Bullet. Cash strength. Anyways, back to what's more important. Ryan Boyle, I appreciate you, my friend. Ryan Hurd, it is time for fire indeed. Look, this break took way too long to fill, and you guys know it. Those of you that are in it, you absolutely know it. I don't got to repeat it to you. You guys know what's hot. You guys know what's in these boxes. I think the problem is we don't have the rest of the world knowing what's in these boxes. So here we go. Card 1. AFC East. I'm not going to read all these because I'll fall asleep reading names. Here we go. Pack number 1. We got the Bang Box. It's the board. The Starship Enterprise is coming in hot. Bang Zinga, baby. First pack right here. First pack right here. I don't know why, but these boxes remind me not of the Death Star, but of the board shit. Because I just started watching Picard on fucking Paramount. And it reminded me of that board fucking starship that's like a fucking giant square box. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
Who, me?
Yeah, you, motherfucker. Yes. Here we go. You've never seen Star Trek. You fucking... God damn it. Here we go. Oh, there's the sticker. There's the sticker. Here we go. Card number 1. Max, what's up, my friend? What's up? I love it. I fucking love it. Gold pack numero uno. There we go.
There you go.
Good luck. What is this? What is this? All right, we're just gonna move on to card number 2. I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm not even gonna tell you what's in this shit. I'm not even gonna tell you what's in this shit. Here we go. It's gold. It's gold. It's from Absolute. There we go. 4 out of 10. Absolute gold. Joey B going out to the AFC North. None other than your guy, Ryan Knowles, baby. Not a rook. Not a rook, but a nasty card. Nonetheless, that is gold absolute. 4 out of 10. Good God almighty. Good God Almighty. What a way to start it off. What a way to start things off. What the fuck is that? Get the fuck out of here. Do I have any pens at work? This one's the same one I just picked up. I gotta like notate it like Burrow. JB. Nice. Pack number 1. Pack number 1. What's up, Alex? What is up, Alex? Oh my God. Max, you're so mean. Just kidding. I love it. What's good, Miguel? Miguel, I tagged you 100 times. I tagged you probably 99.9 times.
Accurate.
Yes. Oh, I mean, he pretty much has the whole box. Ryan, he pretty much has the whole box. Let's go, Alex. Let's go, my friend. All right, card number 2. Card number 2. Here we go. Ryan Knowles has half this fucking card, too. I mean, he bought into pretty much every mini. He bought in a shit ton on his own. Guys, he knows what the fire is.
He's like, cheaper to buy the whole box.
It pretty much is. Card number 2. Bangarang. There it is. Gold. Gold. We like gold. Next card. Next card up. Number dos. Alex, I didn't tag anybody, so you don't feel left out. You sandbagging son of a bitch. I didn't tag a single soul because I've been lazy as fuck and drunk as a goddamn kite. Here you go. Take that. I don't even know who I'm talking to. I'm telling people that, here you go. I got a dog over here. Maybe the dog is it. I'm looking to my left. I got a baby and a baby monitor. This is life now. You didn't hear shit, David. You shut your fucking mouth. Bangarang pack number 2. Number 2. Number 2. It's a zebra. We're going safari hunting. You didn't think Downtown Breaks caught up to the fucking trend, baby. But guess what? It's not all optic pulsars. It's not all fucking optic contenders. It is zebra field level. Peyton Manning. AFC South. Ryan Hurt. Field fucking level. Omaha. Hey. Fucking hype, bitch. God damn, Ryan Hurt. That's a sick card. Sick card. That is fucking sick. I had no fucking idea that card was in this fucking box. I don't know what the fuck we're doing over here. Tell you right now, I'm not happy about it. I gotta talk to the man. You gotta talk to the man in charge. I gotta talk to the man in charge. Look at that. Look at that. Is anybody even watching anymore? Yeah, you saw. You saw. Card 4, that's not it. Card 3. Jesus fucking Christ. Jesus H effing Christ. Card 3. Card 3. Alex Feller, you're in a lot of this one. You're in a lot of this one. Card number 3, baby. I love this shit. I fucking love this shit. Best night of your life. Ryan Hurt, you can't tell me this is the best night of your life. You got a fucking Brock Purdy red auto coming your way, my friend. That card is definitely better than this fucking Peyton Manning zebra. I'll tell you that. I don't know, though. I don't know. That Peyton Manning zebra is fucking sick. Okay, Max, I don't know who the fuck you are, but chill the fuck out, okay? Oh, I'm the only one that can curse in this group. Jesus fucking Christ. Card number 3. Bangarang. 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 It's a fucking slab.
Slabby.
It's a slabby. It's a slabby. Gold pack. Sorry. I'm getting a little crazy with it. Gold pack. Dude, Max, I don't even know who you are and you love me. That's that's like no homo shit right there. Here we go. 2021 Select SS10. Fuck you, Brad. You're a fucking dick. You know I'm drunk. Here we go. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
fuck. Oh! Bang a fucking ring! Patrick Mahomes! Yes, my dog's going fucking crazy with you! Holy shit! Zebra PSA 10! Throwing up dicks everywhere! Goddamn AFC West! Alex Feller! You silly fucking fuck! It's the card number 3! Goddamn. Goddamn, Dakota, you're good, brother. You're good, Dakota. You're good.
Daddy's a little excited.
Papa's more than a little excited. I got a semi-chub going to a full fucking chub on that card. Holy fuck! Back-to-back zebras! Back-to-back! Fuck! Meatloaf! Here we go. Card 4. Card 4. Card 4. Here we go. In case you're wondering, Ryan Knowles, Ryan Hurt, Shane Triplet, Alex Feller, Ryan Hurt, Miguel, Alex Feller, and Ryan Knowles. There we go. Those are the teams. And we're going to do a little any, mini, miny, mo, bang, ring, baby. Card 4. Dude, I think you did, Alex. I think you did. You were hype about it. You were hype about it, my friend. On card auto here. I'm calling it right now. On card auto. That's my call. I'm calling an on card auto. It's a one touch. It's black. It's backwards.
Put it backwards.
That's fine. Oh, don't look. Don't peek. There we go. We're back. We're back to it. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. No fucking way! Neon Knights from Spectra! What the fuck? Good God! This is insane! Brandon Marley! Tell Shane Triplet I dropped his card! What the fuck? Bang a fucking rang, baby! Neon Knights! AFC North! Pick it! Max, if you don't know, now you know, my friend. If you don't know, now you fucking know. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. This is why we don't understand why these breaks do not feel faster. You guys sit here, you suck each other off. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I love every single one of you. I love every single one of you. Here we go. Card number 5. Eric Allison's just laugh. Fucking loud. Here we go. Card number 5. Card number 5 before I go fucking too crazy. Here we go. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Hey, it's okay, brother. I'll tell you right now, it's not all guaranteed to be a one pack. Oh, not all guaranteed to be one pack. Here we go. Here we go. One touch card. Card 5. Feller, Ion, Knowles, Oslin, Knowles, Hurt. Let's ride, baby. You're not going to lose shit, Alex. Here we go.
And the whole AFC.
Oh, fuck. Folks, that's a gold mojo from Select. No, we're not doing it. I refuse. I refuse. We've had way too many instances of golds. We've already had one number to 10 card. Do we really need another one?
Love gold. Gold ice.
I like gold. Here you go. And the card is Silver Conqueror Sam Howell. Going out to the fuck you. Fuck you. Here we go. Card number 5. Gold Sweet Level. Gold Sweet Level. Rams. To 10. Cooper Cup, baby! Bangarang! NFC West. Eric Oslin, you silly goose. 5 out of 10, baby. Select Sweet Level. Nasty gold mojo. That card is sick. All right, Dakota. I get you, brother. I know. It's wild in here. It is wild in here, my friend. That's a sick looking card. Absolutely, Eric, you'll take that. That's a sick card. Sick card.
Wow.
Nasty. Nasty. Where am I fucking fucked? Where am I fucking... Alright, well, I'm running low on little things here, so we'll do this guy here. We're on card number 6, in case you're wondering. In case you're wondering, oh, Ryan Hurt loves it, huh? Ryan Hurt loves it. There you go. He goes, I need one. You got one. You got one, Eric. What do we got here? This one feels a little bit taller than the other ones. And I was right on that. I'm getting so used to these packs. I know how to feel them, baby. I know how to feel them. That seems a little strange. We got a graded card here. Thank you. We got a graded card here. Let's go. Card number 6. Here you go. Card number 6. Oh, yeah. You know it, David. You know it, David. Card number 6. Okay, don't everybody close your eyes. It's backwards again. I fucked that one up, though.
Me?
No, I did.
We'll get around one of these days.
No, I did. There we go. Bang. It's back. It's back. Little Bangarang pack sleevery. Here we go. It's graded 2021 Select.
Yeah.
A fucking again. The last graded card from 2021 Select was this piece of shit card nobody cares about. We won't care about that, do you, Alex? That card sucks. That card fucking sucks. You ask me. That card fucking sucks. Ian Book Gold's a good guess. That's a really good guess, David. I think we might have one of those. Gem Mint 10, though. It is Gem Mint. If it's an Ian Book Gold, David, I'm going to pay for the guy to ship it to you specifically. He wants a Brady. It's not even a die cut. Do you want a die cut, Alex, you motherfuck? Here we go. Amon-Ra. St. Brown going out to the NFC North, and Miguel Soriano, silver field level. Bangarang, baby. Nice hit, my friend. Nasty fucking player. Tops of his fucking class right there. And if you don't know, now you know. Field level is hobby only for the last 2 years. Last 2 years. Making notes here. Absolutely, my friend. PSA 10. PSA 10. All right, here we go. Card number 7. God damn, I thought we were almost done. We're not even close to it. We're not even close to done. Boop. Bang. Bangarang. 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 We're working on it, Alex. We're working on it, my friend. Empty. Card 7, here you go. Here's what you're chasing. Right there. Ryan Knowles has half the break again. When he wakes up tomorrow, he's going to message me. He's going to be like, dude, I fucking love you. That's basically what he's going to say. There's no doubt about it in my mind. He's going to be like, I wish I was there. I'm old. I'm tired. I can't fucking wake up in early enough or wake up late enough. I got kids. I got to tuck them into bed. Love it, man. Love you, Ryan Knowles. Love your breaks. Here we go. Card number 7. Good fucking luck. It's touched by a 1. I can't stop laughing. It's touched by a 1. Oh, it's a down fucking town.
Oh, shit.
It's a down fucking town.
Why would we do that?
Downtown.
Oh, shit.
Da 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 da. Downtown. Da 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 da. Downtown. He didn't even win that many, did he? No, Alex, he did not win that many. I don't know. What do you guys want to see? Should we play the Bangarang music? Alexa, play Bangarang. Oh, you're playing the same song? Here we go. Yes, it's time. We got a new theme song, baby. Card number 7's got a downtown. I'm scared. Definitely a downtown. Oh, it's optic. Bangarang. Oh! AFC East! Miguel Soriano! Holy shit! Wow! Wow, Miguel! Gary Wilson! Downtown! Bronx Zoo! I love New York! Bang a fucking rang, my guy. What a pull. What a pull. What a pull, my friend. Fire, baby. Alexa, stop. I love that shit. I fucking love that song. Nice hit, Miguel. Nice hit, Miguel.
Wow.
Damn, dude. Bang a fucking rang, my friend. Bang a fucking rang. Here we go. Next up. Next up, card number 8. Got some new folks in this. Brian Lang. Don't even know if I tagged you, man, but good luck. AFC East, you're 1 card off on the fucking downtown Garrett Wilson optic. Whew. Here we go. 3 cards left. Good luck, folks. This is some heat. I'm telling you right now. We got zebras. We got downtowns. We literally own the Bronx Zoo. Neon Knights. This is case hits after case hits after case hits. What's next? What's next? Whew. Hey, Alex, you know exactly what you needed to do, my friend. You needed to buy the entire division like you had before. That's how these are, my friend. There we go. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. This is a gold out of 10, folks. Gold out of 10. What a theme we've got going with the gold tonight. Diamond hands. Justin Jefferson, Diamond Hands Gold. NFC North, Miguel Soriano. Back to fucking back, my friend. 3 goals over here. That is sick. Nasty hit, my guy. Nasty hit, my guy. 3 straight.
What a hit.
3 straight hits for you. 3 straight hits for you.
Best night ever.
Bro, I mean, we are your true fucking north right now. You should never leave Downtown Breaks. I'm just telling you right now. Not because of anything we've done, but because of what you've done, my friend. Pack 9. Oh, you, David. He actually lives. Miguel lives close. We found out that Miguel is not too far from the downtown establishment, and he's in the same state. Miguel is in the same state. This is only the beginning of our relationship, my friend. This is only the beginning. Absolutely fire. I love it, Miguel. Have a drink. Have a drink. Alex, I hear you, brother. I hear you. He's not even watching right now. There we go. Card number 9. Ryan Knowles has got a lot of this one. There's only 2 of you. If Ryan Knowles doesn't get this card, if he doesn't get this card, I am sorry. Okay? I am sorry. Here we go. Card 9. Oh, boy. What is that?
Another backwards one.
Oh, it's another backwards one. Okay. Scared the shit out of me.
We gotta sync up on the
It scared the shit out of me. Here we go. Oh, shit!
Oh, what?
Explosive!
Oh, gold again!
Gold again! Christian McCaffrey to 10! Gold explosive! NFC Southeast back! Ryan Knowles is back! My God! My God! Bang. O-ring! Bang. O-ring.
Those are sick.
Nasty.
Underrated.
Underrated card, for sure. Explosive.
Not the
Underrated. All right, here we go. We got one more card left. Card 10. Here we go. Here we go. We haven't had an absolute in this entire set, so that's nasty. We got a graded card, I believe.
Graded?
It's graded.
How do you?
Is it backwards or frontwards? Is it backwards or frontwards?
I think I went the other
Did she pull her pants up or pull her pants down? That's what I want to know. I don't know. I think it's
On the
backwards.
left or the right?
I don't know. I don't think she wears pants. I don't think she wears underwear either. Here we go. Last card of the break, guys. Look, I love everybody that's in this break right now. I love everybody watching this break right now. But if you don't buy into the next fucking Bangarang box, I don't think we can be friends. We got golds. We got 4 gold cards out of 10. St. Brown. We got 2 PSA 10s. 2 fucking zebras. A downtown fucking Garrett Wilson. Why are you not spending $25 a spot? I just don't understand it. Anyways, enough of the rant. Joey B to 10. Good fucking God. Here we go. Last card of the break. Backwards again. I done fucked up. Here we
We'll
go.
figure it out.
I done fucked up. Don't look. Bangarang. We're back. Has to be NFC East, he says. Has to be NFC East. Alexa, play Bangarang. Oh shit, don't peek.
NFC East. Who's got NFC East?
Ryan Knowles is NFC East.
No NFC East yet?
You might be right, Miguel. You might be right. Should we do it again? Alexa, volume 10. Alexa. Oh my God.
Where did we go that?
Did you mean play the song, Oh My God?
Alexa, no.
Okay.
Bangarang. There we go. Alexa, stop. All right, folks. Good luck. I love that song for this. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna patent it. I'm gonna talk to Skrillex. I'm gonna figure it out. PSA Illusions. This year's Illusions. 2022, 26. PSA 10. You know what? Look, I've seen a ton of fucking cards out there in these mystery boxes, and they're not PSA 10s. Why the fuck are you wasting your time buying into these breaks that don't have PSA 10s? I'm sorry.
Okay.
Dakota, it's chill. Even my dog is like, what the fuck? Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. CD Lamb. TCU Wildcard Division. Gold, baby. Going out to the NFC East. That's another Ryan Knowles hit, my friend. Ryan Knowles, PSA 10. Wild card Bangarang. That's sick. You don't see a lot of CD Lamb cards in these mystery boxes either, let alone PSA fucking 10s. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty. Good God, I'm sure it lagged a little bit. I probably hit something. Oh, the baby's up. Out of 10, CD Lamb Illusions. PSA 10. PSA 10. Babu's awake. Babu's awake. Out of 10, Explosive C-Mac. A lot of gold tonight. Out of 10, Diamond Hands, Justin Jefferson. Cooper Kupp, Sweet Level to 10. We got a Joey B to 10. This is not in any particular order. I've got the order to my left. Amon-Ra St. Brown, PSA 10, Silver, Field Level Rookie Card. How about Neon Knights? Neon Knights out of Spectra. That's fire. I'm not even fucking with you. This card is sick. Bronx Zoo. Garrett Wilson, Downtown Optic, Rookie of the Year. Okay, we can top that. Field Level Zebra. Peyton fucking Manning. And our probably best hit on the last 5 boxes, maybe even more. Patrick Mahomes, PSA 10, Zebra on the snapshots. Bangarang, folks. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody. See you in the goddamn next Bangarang pack. Downtown out.